Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. Keep spirit on this morning. On this occasion, I will discuss and talk about fiber craft, including the definition of fiber craft, types and characteristics of fiber, processing of fiber materials, basic technique of fiber crafting, production technique and packaging of handicraft products. Alright, let's get started. Fiber material is a type of material in the form of pieces that form a complete of compound elongate network. The term fiber is often associated with vegetables, fruits, and textiles. Fiber plays an important role. The nature of the fiber will affect the properties of the yarn produced, but from mechanical processing and chemical processing. Types and characteristics of fiber. Fiber materials are divided into two, namely natural fiber material and artificial fiber materials. Natural fiber materials, namely fiber materials that come from nature, are organic fiber materials that are not reprocessed through processes and the addition of chemicals so that their authenticity is maintained. For example, water, hyacinth, banana midrib, coconut fiber, cotton, etc. Artificial fiber material is a fiber material that comes from a chemical processing process. For example, polyester, dacron, nylon, rayon, etc. Types of natural fiber materials are divided into three types, namely natural fiber materials, animal fiber materials, and mineral fiber materials. But this time, our discussion will focus on natural fiber materials and animal fiber materials. 1. Natural fiber materials or plants. A. Fiber from seeds are cotton, kapuk. B. Fiber from stems are orchid, stems, melinjo stems, banyan stems, rosella stems. C. Fiber from leaves are pineapple leaves, water hyacinth leaves, thorny pandan leaves. D. Fiber from fruit is coconut or coir. 2. Animal fiber material. A. Staple fiber produced from sheep, alpaca, camel, and rabbit. B. Fiber from filament produced from silkworm larvae. C. Fiber material processing. Yarn spinning from the fiber selection process, it will continue processing cotton into yarn. Yarn winding. The already spun yarn will be winded using a yarn ruler. Color dyeing. The yarn is dyed, obtained a strong color and then dried. D. Basic technique of fiber material crafts. The technique of making handicraft from natural fiber is mostly made by weaving, macrame, knitting, pasting, and sewing. E. Production process. Before making handicraft products from fiber, there are several requirements for designing craft objects, that need to be considered, namely utility, comfortable, flexibility, safety, and aesthetic. The process of designing and making craft must pay attention to the following: determining crafting material and function, explore ideas from various sources, make several sketches of the work and determine the work, prepare materials and tools, making craft works, evaluation work. F. Craft product packaging. The main function of packaging, namely selling products, protect the products, easy to use product, beautify the appearance of craft products. Requirements that must be met for packaging craft product. 1. The type of packaging chosen must be in accordance with the type of goods. 2. The size of the package must be sufficient to protect the goods. C. Packaging must be of sufficient quality to protect the goods. D. Packaging must be able to highlight or represent the quality of the good. Well, that's all I can say about the craft of fiber materials. Sorry if there are still shortcomings in this discussion. Hopefully, it can be useful and can be implemented. Stay healthy and enthusiastic about learning. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.